Let's learn how to divide the number 154 by 2 using the long division method. Consider the number 15 because 1 is less than 2. We know that 2 times 7 is 14. Subtract, we get 1. Now this one is less than 2, so we will bring down this adjacent 4 here. Now we know that 2 times 7 is 14. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the remainder 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 154 divided by 2 is equal to 77, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.